Miyabe-yabe noman ding miyayaliwang organisasyon bang labanan ng piracy king bansa. Layo na kanuniti hindi na lang pamikatagon bang protektan ding producers.
Reng mamiratang CDs at DVDs ang puspusa ng lalabanan ngeni ng Movie and Television Review Classification Board o MTRCB kayantabing Kikoman Production. Metong nga local recording company ang poing Kapampangan Boys Club. Keti makiadwangan laking Optical Media Board o OMB apamuntukan ng Edu Manzano nung nukarin layong laganasan lareng pirata at mamirata king bansa. Agpangkang MTRCB Chairperson Consoliza Laguardia, matamleing industriya ng pelikula pauli dareng pirated CD at DVD. Sangkan bang mamuhuna na lamureng producers kareng teleseryeng luluwal kareng national TV. Gang no karin kakasimuntangeni, talamak at luntong legal la pareng piratang DVD at CD paulining pakayarap la pareti kareng palengki. Patok mo naman kanudeti kareng tao lakwas na kareng masa paulining mura dang presyo deti.
Oh, well, syempre we support the producers, we could go to the lawmakers, the congressmen to pass a bill para bawasan yung tax na yon, and I think it's ongoing yung reduction in taxes imposed on producers.
Agpangkang Francis Nepo Museno Antonio, ingbikibandi ng Kikoman Production, malyari lang dinan kabiyayan ng taong magtindang pirata. Iti mo naman nga akakit ng solusyon niti bang mitok nang ing problema.
Instead of stealing, you educate them. You have to educate not only the people behind it, even the people stealing behind it.
Makisan meto niya naman ng KBC at reng aliwang ahensya, kalupa ng PNP at ng Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines o CBCP na labanan ng pirata king lalawigan. Patricia Mamangon, IMAX News.